Billie Eilish, Big Sean, JD Vance, and Megan Thee Stallion. What is something that they all have in common? Well, more specifically, what is something related to mental health that they all have in common? So the answer to that question is all four of these people have mentioned anxiety is something that they struggle with. Even with Megan Thee Stallion releasing a song that is titled Anxiety, she said that she is a bad beehive with anxiety. That is actually in the song titled Anxiety. Then JD Vance talked about how he encountered experiences with anxiety in his book Hillbilly Elegy, where he talked about the anxieties that developed as it relates to having a mother who was not necessarily providing the best care to him throughout his life. And this is someone who was the current vice president, and then at some point in the future, he is very likely going to run for president. And again, all four of these people have described experiences with anxiety. And there's this concept that some people have that they know what mental health looks like, that they know what someone who has mental health or struggling with mental health issues looks like. And so I have some very hard news to break to you, but there's no one defining characteristic or a set of characteristics that you can visually see where you can just point out and say, hey, this person has this mental health condition. That's just not how it works at all. And so now let me throw this number out there, 23% or close to a quarter. So close to a quarter of adults in the United States have some sort of mental health disorder. That is 1 in 4 people. So 1 in 4 people, essentially. This is not something that you can simply point at and say, this person has it. This is what they look like. A huge proportion of people in the United States have some sort of mental health condition. Conditions such as anxiety, depression, addiction, PTSD, they affect so many people. And there's no one face that looks like they have it, okay? So with that, I hope that this information proves useful to someone out there. And I thank you so much for watching this.